Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to create a three-dimensional farmhouse using cardboard boxes and pistachios? Well, let's get started. Okay, so all you need is pieces of cardboard and lots of pistachio shells. Okay, so we're gonna start out by cutting a piece of cardboard. I'm going to just bend it. Okay, so now we have this piece. Okay, so with a glue gun, we're going to put some glue right on the edge here. Okay, and then you're going to attach it just like that. Hold it. I'll just place the paper here so it doesn't leak. Okay, and then again, right along the edges here. And we're gonna also put glue along the edges up here. Okay, then we're going to again glue along the edges. And replace the other one. And don't forget to glue along the edge here. And then along up the edges here. Okay, and then just place the other piece. Okay, so we just created a nice little three-dimensional shape. Now for the roof, glue the edges here. And then we're going to glue the top from here. I'm going to just add glue on this side. This is what it looks like, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the bottom part. Just all around it. Okay, so now you can just trim a little bit around the edges. You can even trim here. Okay, so now we're going to use pistachios. So I know this part here is sticking out a little bit, but you can just cover it with the pistachios, okay? So right along this edge. And before it dries, I'm going to start putting the little pistachios. Just along the edges here. Just going to put some glue all around. And I'm going to start placing the pistachios. And then I'm going to put some along the edges. Just all along the edges. And then here. Okay, so we did one side, okay, and you're going to repeat it all around here. So I glued the pistachio shells all around the edges. I left the back here, okay, and now I'm going to paint it. Okay, so I'm going to start painting it with a light coat just along the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to paint around the pistachios. I'm using a darker brown, but you can use whatever color you like. And I'm just going to go around the pistachios. So we have that really nice border look. Now you can use acrylic paint, watercolor paint, whatever you like. And even if there's like a little bit of glue, you can paint around it as well. Okay, so I painted the pistachios all around our farmhouse. Okay. Okay, my friends, so here is the finished farmhouse. I added a little reindeer that I drew the other day. So if you want, you could add other animals to the farmhouse. If you want, you could also add details like a door, a window. I'm just going to leave it as is. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.